Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So let's follow the step. So if we see MySQL on this machine, MySQL is not installed. So we are going to follow the step. The first step, we need to upgrade, apt upgrade. So let's do that. So this is the command for apt update. So it will take few minutes to update. After that, we need to hit the command to install MySQL. Sudo apt install MySQL server. Okay, so you need to hit this command to install. So yeah, it is asking for yes or no. If we paste yes, then it will install this MySQL server client, and this is the core version also. Okay, so we need to paste yes. Let's do that, and again it will take a few minutes. So let us wait for that. So 19% is finished. Okay, so 95% is there. We have to wait another 2 to 3 minutes. We have to wait until that. %. Okay, so let us check the status. Sudo service MySQL status. So you can see it is running. Okay, so let me clear the screen. If you log into MySQL, access denied. Okay, so I have to log in with root. If I was trying to log in with Monty user, so I need to log in with root user. So you can see MySQL is installed already. So databases, you can see the database. Okay, so we need to exit from here, and then you can see, like, when I was trying to access with Montu, it was denied since it's already installed by root user. Okay, so we need to create in this next step we need to create a user Ubuntu, and we need to paste a password also.